$3.5 million, an investment to encourage Jamaicans to keep washing their hands. Through this public-private sector partnership, the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development has received 100 hand wash stations. The stations have been strategically installed to ensure the most vulnerable, primarily the elderly, can benefit and be protected against the coronavirus.
We're going to be placing one at all infirmaries across Jamaica. Will have one of these stations.
State-owned Golden Age homes are also recipients of the hand-washing stations. So too are town centers and municipal buildings across the country. The installation of the stations is in support of the government's COVID-19 response to safeguard those within the public domain. As everyone would have known by now, the World Health Organization stipulates that hand washing is an effective tool to prevent the virus and other diseases. And so, the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development partnered with telecommunications giant Digicel to outfit these locations with the hand wash stations. Parish municipal corporations will have oversight for these stations within town centers and at the councils, while the Board of Supervision monitors those at the homes and infirmaries.
It is important that the public recognize the importance of it. We have a population of over 1,500 residents, and God has been good. Only 3 deaths so far across the country.
The donation of these hand washing stations are critical in the fight against the COVID-19 disease because, as you know, hand washing and sanitizing and practicing proper hand hygiene is a key element and key component in preventing and containing the spread of the disease, which is critical for our infirmaries at this time.
It's very important that the private sector cooperates and work alongside with the government, both central and local government, to effect change and to effect transformation and to reach out and to show a caring society.
This is precisely the kind of public-private partnership that we need, especially during this time as we confront the COVID-19 pandemic together. So when it is the Minister ODPEM reached out to us to say, let's get on board with providing more of these hand washing stations right across the country so that people can have ready access to just doing the basic thing of washing their hands.
It has been a collective response as we, as a country, unite to preserve and to maintain those in our country who are in need of state support.